Hey folks, good evening and welcome to RC Overdose. It's Dev coming to you, and that's my buddy Shane. And we're down here at the Whittier Jumps, one of the best jumps, sites in Winnipeg, in my city. And we have the Rustler Nero, and Shane just wants to go at it. Unfortunately, my Stampede is already busted. Let me show you guys what happened. The spur here is completely eaten up, and not much I can do, but we're gonna see Shane bash today at the Whittier Jumps, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks a lot for tuning in RC Overdose. Something's wrong? What happened? Did that break or?
Yeah.
Oh shoot.
First land too. I knew something was up. She wasn't making any power.
What kind of drive shafts are those? Arma?
Yeah, it's the Arma.
It's a bad day, guys. We lost 2 trucks in a matter of minutes, but that's what happens when you come out for bashing. The drive shaft is out. Hey folks, good evening and welcome to RC Overdose. It's Dev coming to you, and I got my buddies here, and we're ripping our RCs right down here on the road because there's nothing much to do on the snow, and we're gonna start over from where we left yesterday. So I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for tuning in RC Overdose. We have our TRX4s as well, so we're gonna do some trailing. You guys could see it right here, the barrage and 2 TRX4s. And my buddy just fixing the center shaft for the Nero because he broke it while doing some jumps. These armor parts broke from the center shaft for Shane, and that's what's getting fixed right now. This is garbage for now. Oh.
Just gonna make you crack up.
It's stuck?
Where's it stuck?
Yo, he can push it out.
I can push it out, dude.
You don't need to risk your life for that, bro. Don't risk your life for that.
Dude, there's water.
Guys, he's trying to go on this pond here, which is frozen, but it's stuck. So the Nero is trying to help it out. Wait, they both are stuck. Wait. What?
Fuck's sake.
They both are stuck.
Okay, you're the lightest of all 3 of us.
Hey, watch out, man, eh? For real. I mean, this is actually not even that deep, but if you can swim, you're good. Just kidding. You gotta recover both yours and Shane's, because you gotta remember he went for you.
You just gotta push mine over yours. Now blew up the diff.
You blew up the diff?
Yeah.
That's why it didn't move, eh?
Even the stock, you have to fucking hold up.
Alright guys, this diff blew up and I don't know. It blows up all the time.